talking about copper pipes today. How to work with them, how to cut them, how to sweat them. And what I want to show you now is a very important aspect of getting these things together and having them last for a very long time. We got to clean these pipes. And what you want to do is first take your piece of emery cloth. This is it's something that's called emery cloth, and it's available in any hardware store, and it's specifically used for plumbing. So all you do is you take your piece of emery, and what we want to do is we want to clean the outside, because there's going to be a piece that goes over this. This is a joint. This is this is what's called an elbow, 90-degree elbow. That's going to go over this. The solder is going to go between it and make that bond really strong. The thing that's going to make the bond really strong and last for 150 years is how well you prep it and clean it. So you take some of this, wrap it around your finger, and just start twisting, okay? Just like that. Look at how nice and clean you got that, okay? Give it another run. And there you go. You got a nice clean surface that's roughed up and ready to receive the flux and the solder. Again, this is really important. If you clean it really well and prep it properly, it's going to last forever. When we come back, I'll show you other tricks to cleaning the inside and how to prep the rim. Okay? We'll be back.